Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today we're going to talk about Rejuve.AI. Right now, a lot of AI projects are being hyped and being invested and supported. Yesterday we had, for example, CryptoGPT that did the token generation event and all-time high of 12x, even though the market is taking a huge beating because of the issues with the banks globally. AI projects are still in hot demand and are the safest, I guess, bet right now if you want to do a risky investment compared to other narratives. Now, in terms of Rejuve.AI, it's a project that's backed by Singularity DAO team. So if you're any at all familiar with the crypto space, you know that Singularity is one of the biggest contenders in the AI space for crypto, the Singularity Net and Singularity DAO, AJIX and also Singularity DAO. And they are working on incubating new projects all the time that's actually having utility in the AI space. And there's Ben Goertzel, who is the chief AI scientist in Singularity Net project. So Singularity Net and Singularity DAO have Dr. Ben Goertzel as the co-founder for the Singularity Net project, and it's been around for many years. And now they are actually utilizing the importance of AI to create a lot of new AI projects. Now, taking a deep dive into the project, I'll use the usual DAO Maker page to go through it. So it's a decentralized AI-driven longevity research network, helping people around the world to track the data on health, so your health data, receiving valuable insights on your health, contributing to cutting-edge research on longevity of your age, and earn rewards. So it's a sort of health narrative and using AI, which is, I think, a very important narrative to look at. You can actually watch the video. I'll put the link later on. You can watch the video here on what this tool will be in terms of longevity and how you can use it for your health and gaining insights. So this is the real, use case of AI and data analytics. I'm not going to go through the whole detail, but it's a new way of conducting research to improve your human lifespan and aggregating data of millions of people around the world that's available using AI. And it will have the Longetivity mobile app for Rejuve, which the application will then be used, and the link is here, be used for tracking your health insights, and it's going to be HIPAA health compliant. Users can basically detect and participate in the research program and create their unique data NFT, and it's like a membership token. And then you can use this NFT to tap it for different reasons related to the health, and also it can be used and exchanged your information for access to health enhancing products. Could be food, could be membership of sports club, and it can help you even further and further tokens. And these products, as I said, it could be wearable health trackers, could be genome sequencing kits, it could be biological age test kits, it could be science-backed supplements, physicians, and things like that. And as an extra feature, you can select, you can elect to have the data NFT dashboard to help you with outside entities, which are Rejuve Network partners, to access your health data, to help you do further research, to achieve your goals. And in the event that the research by Rejuve Network doesn't suffice, you can also have the subdivision of the therapeutics. So it's really health, as I said, related project. And it's trying to solve a problem here, right? That optimal health right now is not utilizing AI and data analytics as much. And using a decentralized AI-driven product can provide a valuable, membership incentive for people, and also to share all this data. The unique point for this project is using the AI, as I said, having blockchain Web3 decentralized access globally, and also having scientists behind it focusing on the longevity research. And the team has, as I said, Ben Goertzel with and Deborah Dong, who are computational scientists with 30+ years of experience, using the data by various applications to use regularly. And they're going to use the work with biotech companies that provide therapeutic discoveries and solutions. So, for example, they say they have a license to longest live fruit flies in the world with leading biologist Kennedy Shaw, because they use this data to, for example, selectively breed the flies for longer age for using the research, and they use the analytics to test the data and also artificial intelligence to not use human testing for all of the aspects of this. Now, the project has multiple revenue streams once built up. And before jumping, you can go get more information in their website. I'm going to put the link for their values, data ownership, collaborative research, and the longevity. Now, it's a new initiative, obviously. And here is the closed beta. And closed beta at the moment is full, but once the app comes live, you can get more information. So in terms of the revenue streams, they have this premium subscription for the app. It could be monthly or yearly, like Spotify or many apps that you use, even health application. To receive your functionality and the benefits in the application, you can get affiliate commissions on the partner products that they're going to have based on the sales being generated and the links clicked from your customized link. Data licensing fee, obviously cut fees for research partners. That's going to be using the Rejuve network member access data. They have AI marketplace fees, which the proceeds from the AI service calls going to be on the Singularity Net marketplace, and proceeds from therapists that are generated as well. So the therapists are going to work with them. Also, they have a cut, and they're going to have some cuts for RJV token, basically. And we don't want to go all the way and discuss the how the RJV.AI is going to work, because it's quite a long topic. It's a very technical project, by the way. So, it's probably better in your own time also when I put the links, have a look at it. Now, the next thing, which is, favorite topic, is token utility and the tokenomics. So in terms of the tokenomics, we just mentioned they have the RGV token utility, which is the means to transact the data. It's also representative for membership to the network. The RJV tokens are earned in exchange of data. Contribution is going to be using the Longetivity mobile app, and it's going to be used to purchase vouchers and deep discount products. There's the data NFT or Rejuve ID, which NFTs are very popular right now. So the NFT technology is going to be used to track the intellectual property. And then they've got the product NFT, which is basically where it's minted at the time of research. It helps transition to the prospective products and other products that's going to be used. And you can only sell up to 50% of the product NFT shards to ensure there's a lifetime benefits for you. And for more, I guess, in-depth information, you can go and check the white paper for the project. It's all available here as well. So I'm not going to go through it in greater detail. Now, coming back to the project's tokenomics and project detail. You can find the tokenomics and key metrics over at this part. So they had a page that had the tokenomics in greater detail, the distribution. Maybe I'll check the Steplaunch because they also have it. And you can see it probably better. So yeah, great. We can see the token description here and the vesting. So they have the RJV token, which is the utility token for the project, and they have done multiple sale rounds for the token. So they have done 4% seed round, and the 4% seed round for a total token as well. It's important to look at the total token when you're looking at the key metrics. Token supply total being 1 billion. So 1 billion is the total supply of the token. And the valuation of the project is valued as $15 million. So the 0015 is the token price at the public price, as you can see, 0.15. So seed round 4% invested at a valuation of 12.5 million. 500K was invested. They have 15% unlock on token generation event. They've got 3 months cliff and then a linear daily unlock for 24 months, slightly cheaper than the public round, but not much. Then they've got the public raise. The public raise is going to be 0015. So 0015 is the $15 million fully diluted value of the project. And the fundraise for this was $2.35 million. That's happening soon. And this is going to be unlocked with 20% unlock at TGE, 3 months cliff, linear daily unlock for 24 months. So they have 4% seed, 4% Launchpad 2, which is the Steplaunch, and 10% Launchpad 3, which is the DAO Maker, 6% on Singularity DAO itself. So 6 and 4 and then 20% public round, plus 4% seed round, plus 1.5% for KOLs who participate in the project. Now 15% team and advisors, 15% liquidity reward, 15% data reward, and 18% ecosystem. And 1.75 is going to be rewards for the application and public distribution and airdrops. Now, it's going to be on Ethereum network as well as Cardano. So it's going to be on both chains. Obviously, Ethereum being the first one, being a popular token. Initial token circulation is going to be 66 million out of the total 1 billion. So 6.6% of the total, which means it's going to be around 1 million is going to be the unlock of the token. So initial market cap being $1 million and the listing price of 0.015. Having unlock of 20% TGE is pretty good because you only need a 5x to get your return on investment. So these are the Launchpad. Public distribution means listing on exchanges, by the way. So when you see the public, don't make mistakes. It's not a public round. It's the public distribution when they're listing on, for example, just an example, KuCoin or Bybit. They usually do a small amount of raise there. So that raise over there, around $150,000, is going to be the public launch amount. So never make mistakes on that. So as you can see, seed is a slightly lower unlock, but slightly cheaper. KOLs, Launchpads, all gonna have the same vesting. Data rewards pool gonna be 0 TGE, 1 month cliff, 18 months linear vesting. Liquidity rewards are gonna be 0% on TGE. Strategic partners, 0% TGE, 3 months cliff, and then vesting for 24 months. Team advisor, 0% TGE, 3 months cliff, and 24 months unlock after that. Ecosystem is gonna be 0% TGE. So it's more of the sale, and other than that, they're gonna add the liquidity, not rewards, but liquidity for the token to make sure, you know, there's enough circulation when they're raising. So this is the summary of the tokenomics for the project. Now let's deep dive into the roadmap as well. So for the roadmap, they're going to release the app first, the Longetivity app. So they're going to have the public release of the MVP on Google Play and App Store. Then the token is going to be launched. So this is happening soon. When they have the launch of token and the NFT, that's going to contribute to the personal data NFT and the use of a RJV token when you're using the data NFT. And it's going to be used as an exclusive membership discount. Premium subscription is going to come out soon. And then launch of the research stake pools. So you stake your RJV to help the research for the Longetivity pool. And that allows you to earn discount on the products that come from the research. So it's a really cool idea, actually, the research pool. I haven't seen it much. That you're helping with the R&D of the project. First product inception is going to be using the product NFT from this. So you do the research staking, and then the product comes out and you get the product NFT, which is the proportion to the product. Personalized longevity plan is going to come out. And then studies on clinical trials on the platform is going to be the next steps in terms of the roadmap. The team detail, you can see it on their website, but you can also see it on DAO Maker. So most famous one, Ben Goertzel, father of the AI intelligence and biotech researcher. He's one of the first person who did the open source AI net framework, and Singularity net works with him. He also works with a lot of health companies in Australia and US and Canada for the AI research for healthcare. Deborah Dong is PhD in comp science, and she is also one of the people who's super active in the behavioral science space. Co-founder and CEO is Jasmine Smith, natural wellness and longevity expert, and is a senior medical coder for a leading hospital in Austin, Texas for 4 years. And she's affiliated with SingularityNet for nearly 4 years. SingularityNet is a really cool project. If you don't know much about it, definitely search about them. They have partners like SingularityNet, Singularity DAO, DAO Maker, J Infinity Medicine, Precision Medicine, Vital Cellular, Elevent, Apollo, Cryptopia, Donatage.org, Rejuve.AI, True Diagnostic, Hedge. So a lot of health, but a lot of crypto companies as well behind the project, basically, in terms of backer and partnerships. And of course, you can see the partners here also being Step App, DAO Maker, and SingularityNet. I guess that being the biggest one. If you need more detail on the entire team, you can see all here. They're all available on LinkedIn as well. So that's the whole team. And you can also find their advisor if you want to get more information. So a lot of people outside Web3 and a lot of people also in Web3 basically are partners with the project. So it's a pretty popular one. Now, in terms of how you can join, and that's why I did this project very, very, very quickly. Before we join, let's talk about the social media actually. So social media, they are on YouTube, they're on Telegram, and they're on Twitter. Right now is only 8,000, but it grew like super quickly in the last 3 days just because it was coming on DAO Maker. And if you compare their older posts to newer ones, you can see the acceleration of views and engagement from 4K to 25K, 17K, and 7,000. So it's now really popular because it's doing IDO on very good launchpads. Going back to the IDO, there's going to be IDO on Singularity DAO, which for Singularity DAO part, you can go to the Singularity DAO website and the Telegram, they guide you on how you can contribute. Then they're going to be on Singularity, they're going to be on Steplaunch and DAO Maker. So with the Steplaunch is part of Step App token. So if you have seen my video on Step App, you know about the project probably. Steplaunch, when you go to the steplaunch.org, they have the detail of the project. And remember, Step App has its own network called Step Network and its own launchpad called Step Launchpad. So what you need to do to participate in the project, you go to steplaunch.org, you sign in to Step Launchpad first, you use your email and detail and sign up. And once you sign up, you need to stake a minimum of 1,000 FitFi token. And FitFi token right now is quite cheap actually. So if you go to FitFi, Step App, I think it's minimum of 0.014, 1,000 what? It's like $14. So you put $14 worth of Step App minimum. This, as I said, this is a minimum amount. So you could do more to get higher chance. But you stake a minimum of 0.014 in the registration sign in. They're going to direct you here on the staking here. You put staking and put minimum of 1,000 here on the daily snapshot. And when you put that, it's going to show here that how much you've staked. With the staking amount, then you come back here and sign in and sign up for the deal. Campaign details. First thing first, it's going to be registration opening March 1. 12th of March, registration is closing. So in 2 days, you have 2 days from now for Step Launch to register. March 13, you're going to have the lottery results being announced of who has won, which wallets have won basically, participating in the IDO on Step Launch. March 14, deposits are going to be opened to contribute to the project. And the 15th of March, the deposits are closed. So this is the detail this coming week. You still have time. I'm doing this video very quickly. Lottery, by the way, lottery will be only among those who staked and passed KYC. So make sure you stake, make sure you've passed KYC, and there will be a participation fee of 20%. So if you invest 1K, $200 of that will be the fee for the Launchpad. You need to do the staking, you need to do the KYC, you need to have registrations done, you need to have the lottery results received. So make sure you do all these steps, because if you miss any of these steps, you're probably gonna miss out on the token sale. So again, very summarized for you. KYC, stake minimum 1,000, but you need more. 1,000 token is only $14. So let's say do 10,000. You'll have to pay participation fee of 20% if you won the lottery, and you have until 12 p.m. UTC March 12 to do it. March 13, you get the results, and March 14, you can start depositing the token. Dates are subject to change, especially being on a very uncertain market, so just make sure about that. Now, DAO Maker sale is the other option that you have. Of course, it's a bit harder to do to win on a DAO Maker one, but it's a possibility, right? So if you come to the DAO Maker one, the public round is going to have 3 rounds. There's going to be a public round BUSD, public round DAO, and private SHO. Public round means you don't need to hold any tokens for DAO Maker, but you need to have maybe a wallet that has enough tokens. You need to a minimum of $500 to register in your wallet. And you need to, when you win, if you win an allocation, minimum to contribute is going to be $500. Rejuve.AI for DAO Maker token uses DAO token, and it's going to be pegged into a token. If you win that same thing, you know, you click participate, and you can participate in the sale, contribute with DAO token. Now, just remember, I'll put the links in my description, and the link in the description will help you participate in the DAO Maker token sale as a referral. And referral is very helpful for you if you can participate. Rejuve.AI strongholder offering or private SHO happens 3 days from now, and that's more using the DAO token. So you need to pay with DAO token, and once you pay, if it's 100% subscribed only, you get the full allocation that you're assigned. If it's oversubscribed, your allocation is divided by the amount of oversubscription. So for example, if you want an allocation of $500, but it's oversubscribed by two times, then you get $250 allocation, and $250 DAO is refunded. All the detail I'm going to provide also in my channel in the description to make sure you can participate. I really like this project because other AI projects are really cool, but they don't have this, how to put it, relation with the government, with the Web2 space, these tier 1 researchers. To me, this is a token that may not in the first few weeks pump aggressively, but it will do well, but not pump like 100x. It's going to do well, like maybe 10x, for example. But over a long period of time, I think it's going to be one of the really growing tokens, actually, which is similar to what happened to Singularity. And they did a 10x in the last 3 months. And it's a project that's been around for 3 years. So that's what I think about the project. State of market, unfortunately, is quite bad, but that doesn't stop, for example, someone like me to participate in Launchpad sales, because these are offerings that are quite unique and you're paying for them at the cheapest price possible. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like the video, you subscribe, you join my referral for the IDO for higher chance, and comment if you have any question from the project team. I will be doing more videos soon because there's a lot of AI projects coming, and next month I'll be traveling. So I want to cover as many AI as I can. That's what I've received as a feedback from the community. So that's what I will do. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.